Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're here again in snowy Michigan with a new beautiful home tour to check out. You're not going to want to miss this one. So this is a beautiful Madison Heights neighborhood. This property is kind of unique. It does have the option for a double lot. Could potentially split or included. Something we can kind of work out. It's a 1,500 square foot home. 3 beds, 1.5 bath, fully remodeled. And we're asking $3.25 for everything, or again, variable depending on what we're gonna do with that double lot. All right, we're inside the home now. So you can see beautiful finishes, brand new windows, super open concept. Love this fireplace area here. Great dining table, breakfast nook area here. Nice color flooring as well. And into the kitchen. All new cabinets, all new fixtures, all new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, soft close. Pretty good island space too for the size. Got your half bath here. All brand new as well. Now this is really cool. We'll head down to the basement in a bit. But you have this bonus room here. It's right off the kitchen before you go down to the basement. You have another sliding door access to the deck. Pretty nice size slab here, and then deck here. And again, this is a double lot. Have some options here, all fenced in. Shoe coat closet. And let's head upstairs. All right, so all 3 bedrooms are up here. They're all pretty good sized rooms. We'll start here on the left. Good lighting throughout. Good sized closet here. The hallway into the next bedroom. Got 2 closets here. A little area there for a desk or a study maybe. Pretty decent sized closet there. And also here. Last but not least, and we have a full bathroom. Really nice sized shower, a glass door, and the bench. Got the window there, which is cool. Good storage. I like the vanity here. What do you guys think? Drop a comment, let me know. Let's head back downstairs. Got some nice storage down here. New utilities as well. Ready to go for your washer and dryer. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like if you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one.